Good morning, guys. I'm gonna get ready for the day because I want to go grab some coffee with Elijah and the girls this morning. I feel like a bougie mom when I'm wearing this thick robe that Elijah got me. It's from like Barefoot Dreams. It's literally like a blanket as a robe. I kind of want to pack this to the hospital, but so thick that it will take up the whole duffel bag of mine. It's just me and Alicia this fine morning. I'm waiting for Elijah and Eliana to get up. It's honestly kind of early right now. Alicia has been waking up really early lately. I'm usually up with her anyway, so it's usually always just me and her having like quiet time. She's eating a yogurt right now while we wait for them to wake up so that we can head out and go grab some coffee and then also some food. I do have a fun, productive day for me because I'm in this nesting mood right now, and I think we're gonna deep clean the house and try to organize it. We have to wash all the baby bottles today, so I need to clean out at least a cabinet in the house to put those baby bottles. I also need to finish up the laundry. Elijah usually cleans the bathrooms and stuff, so I don't really have to do that. Okay, so we are now in the car finally. Took us a while to get everyone out. We're gonna go pick up some coffee. Where should we go? So we ended up getting 7 brew instead. So I got a caramel macchiato and this looks so good. And then we got the girls 2 strawberry smoothies. It's been a while since we got 7 brew. I've been lately stepping away from them because I feel like their coffee's so sugary. Elijah got brunette. I don't know what's in it. What is it? Like white chocolate? We're gonna be deep cleaning the house today and just getting it nice and prepped before little guy comes. I'm honestly about to pop any day now, which is so crazy to think about that we're gonna have a newborn very soon. We've made some non-toxic swaps in the house, especially with cleaning products. So we recently switched to Blue Land. We go through a lot of dishes and clothes since we are a family of 4. So I ended up testing out their dishwasher tablets and their laundry tablets, which has been working so great for us. They're non-toxic, so they're both safe for the environment and your health, making them a great choice for households with children or even pets. Blue Land also focuses on sustainability. So their tablets are made with biodegradable ingredients and free of harsh chemicals like phosphates, chlorine, or even synthetic fragrances. And you guys know I do have a daughter with eczema, so I'm very, very cautious with the type of ingredients I use on her clothes. The company also offers refillable packaging to reduce plastic waste. And despite being eco-friendly, the tablets get the job done, removing the toughest stains on my kids' clothes and keeping our dishes super clean. Switching to Blue Land has made a positive impact on both our home and planet while still enjoying products that deliver great results. And I do have a special code for you guys. We can celebrate Earth Month and make the switch today. All you have to do is click the link below or scan my QR code on the screen right here to get 15% off your first kit. So shout out to Blue Land for sponsoring today's vlog. Honestly in the mood to garden, but last time I did have like a little garden bed and ended up dying. For some reason I'm feeling like I want to have a green thumb again and start a garden. So maybe we'll go to Home Depot later today. I don't know. I'm getting like stuffy right now and I can't tell if it's because of the pollen or it's because it's another pregnancy symptom. I remember in my 3rd trimester, I would just naturally like get stuffy. We just unboxed a few PR packages that came to our door and I wanted to share this one because I thought this one's really cool. It's so funny because when I get a package, the girls love to just open the door and like grab the package and then they play with the box, and it usually always comes with tissue paper or bubble wrap, and they just love playing with the bubble wrap. Usually I get big boxes too, so sometimes they'll like go in the box and start pushing each other around the house. Like they're literally playing with the box right now. You do not need much for toddlers, I swear. But anyways, I got this cool package. It's supposed to kind of like mimic when you go to the airport. These are the bins that you put your stuff in when you go through security. I've heard great things about this shampoo, so I can't wait to try this out. I really love trying new products on my hair. I honestly don't think I've ever fell upon a really bad hair product before. They sent me their shampoo and conditioner, and then they also sent me this cloud foam mousse, which I think would be really great if I did like a blowout. I also got a hair cone. They also sent like a little ticket that kind of like goes with the vibe. And then I was so confused what this was. And they sent me Beats earphones. These ones are so cute. They're so tiny. These are the earphones I use. They're Bose, and this one is perfect. It looks like this, and it just sticks on your ear. It's not like an AirPod. It's not soundproof like AirPods, so I can hear like the girls, my surrounding, but like the music and like whatever I'm listening to sounds really great at the same time. So I really like these. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. You guys are gonna have flawless hair when you guys grow up. You know why? Because mommy's gonna teach you guys every trick in the book to keep your guys' hair looking shiny and refreshed. Well, this is what my laundry room is looking like right now. It's looking a little chaotic. So this is what we got. I've actually been doing really good with doing my laundry and not letting it sit here. So these are all the clothes I washed today, and I have one more load to put in the dryer, and then I'm basically done doing laundry. So while I'm gonna wait for the other set to dry, I'm gonna start putting all of this together. I can definitely say that I'm officially like in that cleaning and nesting mood. I had my cleaning and like organizing moments throughout my pregnancy, but this one I'm like literally dusting every single corner in the house. I'm honestly just trying to keep myself busy because the last trimester is pretty hard. I feel like I have pretty great patience, especially becoming a parent. I feel like you learn to have a better patience, but with pregnancy, the third trimester, man, the waiting game is just really rough. I feel like with this pregnancy too, it's honestly been a lot harder on my body. I mean, this guy was literally trying to come out early and I was like stuck on bed rest. Now he's just comfortable and taking his dear time. Like, I feel like a lot of you guys have asked me like if I noticed the difference between carrying a boy and a girl, and I feel like my pregnancies honestly have been the same. Morning sickness, the whole feeling uncomfortable and everything. But I will say that with this pregnancy, I never experienced sciatica with both my girls. I only experienced it with this pregnancy, and I think it's because it is true, you do carry a lot lower with a boy, and I can say that. So everything else symptom wise literally the same, but the way you carry, I can definitely notice a difference. I definitely carried a lot wider with my girls. He's more like out this way and just a lot lower. Elijah went to go pick up lunch with the girls while I try to organize the house. I feel like I'm more in the zone when I'm home alone. We need to organize this right here. I feel like I do a good job with not buying a bunch of cups. I did just get these sent to us. They're the Hydro jugs, which I personally love. So I think I'm gonna be getting rid of my Stanley and maybe Elijah Stanley too, because he is an Awala person. He loves his Awala. I'll show you. So he got this. So he really likes this one compared to his Stanley too. And I personally don't think that we need to own that many cups right there. I feel like I do a good job though with like trying to keep this area minimal. I only own like 4 coffee mugs and I don't even really use it. Mostly all of these are like the girls' cups and stuff. So I'm gonna go through all of this and then see what to keep and what to donate. Good thing I'm not on bed rest anymore. I feel like a part of me wants to keep the Stanleys, but at the same time, I don't know. You know what? Okay, we'll keep it, and then if there's not enough space, then I will take it out. This should have gone a long time ago. I'm probably gonna give this to my parents because this is a Maui built. And then I have this hydro flask too that we also got in Hawaii. Elijah got this to make like my brown sugar shaken espresso, but I don't even use this. I'm gonna be honest, I hardly even use this espresso machine. Also getting rid of this. I didn't even know they were in the back here. I actually tried getting rid of a lot of their like silicone plates, cups, because they're just so bad. This is our only glass cups that we own, and this is from our wedding day. It has our names and then our wedding anniversary. We ever only used this on our wedding day, and we've never used it since. But I definitely don't want to get rid of this because it's like sentimental. I feel like I made enough space for the baby bottles. We don't have a lot of baby bottles, so I'm not expecting too much. So the baby bottles will go right here, and then I have these containers right here that I would probably put my breast pumps in. Let me actually just grab those. I feel like this looks like a pretty good job. All our baby stuff was in this closet right here, and I think I finally like cleaned out a little bit of it to where there's room, because this room was like piled up with a bunch of stuff. I unboxed some of the bottles that we're gonna be using. These are the baby bottles we're gonna be using. It's the glass ones, and then I also have the bigger size ones too, but I just kept those in the box and just took out the little mini ones first. So this is everything I'm gonna wash later on today. I'm probably gonna film this though on like a TikTok or reel. These are other stuff I'm going to have to unbox. box. Mom Cozy bottle warmer. I also have these Willow breast milk storage bags, but I'm probably not gonna open this because I just got the Mom Cozy ones too. And I already unboxed that and put that in a little clear bin. So I'm just gonna keep this one on the side for now. The house is looking pretty clean though. Elijah did most of the deep cleaning, like the bathrooms and all of that. Unboxing all of this is starting to feel so real. I personally don't like a lot of clutter on our countertop, so I'm like trying to figure out a way where I can like store all of this where it's not just like sitting out. It is currently dinner time. We're gonna make a HelloFresh kit meal. So tonight we're having crunchy ranch chicken with roasted green beans and buttery baby potatoes. I'm also gonna make a side of rice for the girls. We've been doing a lot of meal kits lately just in case baby comes. I feel like they're just a lot easier as of right now, and then we'll probably go back to like getting groceries again. Since we're out walking for like an hour and a half, we're just gonna do one of the meals that are just easy prep. So this one's like a 5-minute prep and it only takes 30 minutes to cook. First, we're gonna take green beans and wash them. We do HelloFresh meals for dinner time only, so we still technically get groceries for lunch and breakfast. And then obviously for the girls' snacks too. We're going to spray the green beans with some oil and then season with salt, pepper, and then garlic powder. I always get questions about these. They're from Hex Clan. I'm a big fan of their pots and pans for sure. If anyone is curious, we do the meal kits for 4, and I feel like that's enough. We usually always kind of like have leftovers. Perfect. Now we're just gonna pop this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go do the other extra chicken and season all that and then pop it in the oven. And then lastly, we're just going to do the roasted potatoes, and I literally just have to microwave this for 12 minutes. I'm probably actually gonna put this in the air fryer instead so it tastes a bit better, and then I still have to cook rice for the girls because they don't like roasted potatoes for some reason. Dinner is finished. Elijah ended up finishing up dinner, so he did the potatoes and then he also made the girls rice. This is the girls' dinner. They have some green beans, rice, and then the chicken.
I have chicken, rice, and eggs.
Yeah.